Number 10 is, it is given that in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB is equal to DE, AB is parallel to DE, BC is equal to EF and BC is parallel to EF, and vertices ABC of triangle ABC and vertices DEF of triangle DEF are joined. We need to prove that first one, ABED is a parallelogram, BEFC is a parallelogram, AD is parallel to CF, AD equal to CF, ACFD is a parallelogram and AC equal to DF, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. For the proof of first one, let's take the given data, that is AB is equal to DE. This is the first bit of our proof. It is AB is equal to DE and AB is parallel to DE. See this, in quadrilateral ABED, this is ABED, the side AB and DE are equal and AB is parallel to DE if a pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equal and parallel, then the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. From here we can write the quadrilateral ABED is a parallelogram. Second bit, similarly, let's write the given data, that is BC equal to EF and BC is parallel to EF. BC is equal to EF and BC is parallel to EF. See the figure. In triangle, in quadrilateral BECF, BEFC, it is BEFC, BC and EF are equal and BC is parallel to EF, so it is a parallelogram. This implies that BEFC is a parallelogram. Let's see the third bit. In third bit, we have to prove AD is parallel to CF and AD equal to CF. In the first bit, we have proved ABED is a parallelogram. ABED, this one is a parallelogram. So we can write AD is equal to BE and AD is parallel to BE. AD is parallel to BE and AD is equal to BE from first bit. From second bit, see this, BEFC is a parallelogram. BEFC, this one is a parallelogram, so we can write CF is parallel to BE. CF is parallel to BE and CF is equal to BE. This is from second bit. See here, AD is parallel to BE and CF is parallel to BE. This implies that AD is equal to CF. AD is parallel to CF because AD parallel to BE and CF parallel to BE. This implies that AD must be parallel to CF and AD equal to BE, CF equal to BE. So AD is equal to CF. Our third bit is proved now, that is AD and CF are parallel, AD and CF are equal. Let's prove the fourth bit. That is, we need to prove that ACFD is a parallelogram. ACFD is a parallelogram. We have proved AC is parallel to, AD is parallel to CF, AD and CF are parallel and AD and CF are equal. So we can write ACFD is a parallelogram. Fourth bit, fifth bit, that is, we need to prove AC and DF are equal. ACFD is a parallelogram, so its opposite sides must be equal. This implies that AC is equal to DF. This is from the previous one, this is from third bit and this is from fourth bit. Now we have to prove triangle ABC and triangle DEF are congruent. My dear student, please write this much. I have to write on that side. So that is the sixth bit. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, what are equal? AB equal to DE, it is given. AB is equal to DE, it is given. BC is equal to EF, it is also given. BC is equal to EF, it is also given. And we have proved AC is equal to DF. AC equal to DF. This is from fifth bit. All three sides of triangle ABC are equal to all three sides of triangle DEF. This implies that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF from SSS criterion for congruence of triangle. My dear students, thank you for watching.